Hey y'all, I'm back in the kitchen. Today we are going to do a roast in the Instapot. If you saw my last video when I did oxtail, it turned out amazing. I got my roast beef. It's about a 3-pounder sirloin roast. I got half an onion. I got a quarter of red pepper, and I have a half a tomato. Last night I made this broth. Okay, so I took a full beef cube and I mixed it with a cup and a half of water, put it in the microwave, heated it up, got that beef cube nice and loose and brothy, and then I added some soya. Now you can add as much soya as you like because it's already going to be a little bit salty from the beef cube. You don't want to go too crazy. I just like to kind of get it a little bit dark, a little bit over salty, because when it's in the slow cooker, the meat of course is going to have its juice that comes out, and therefore it's going to take away some of that salt. You can see my beef here is already brown because what I did was I took this broth and I soaked this overnight. So we got our stove already heating up here. Now of course you can saute it in the pressure cooker, but I'm doing it this way just because it's easier to show. I think at this point it might be a little bit faster for us, okay? So we're going to saute this and brown all the sides, and then we're going to go back and we're going to pop this bad boy in the slow cooker. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It already smells delicious. We want to get our sides nice and brown. So we're searing all sides, all around, top and bottom, at a high heat. I didn't add anything to the pan, okay? All right, so we have our roast nice and brown. So as you can see, I browned up the sides. This side is a little more brown than I like, but that's okay. About 4 minutes each on each side, front, back, all around the sides. I'm going to pour the broth in my slow cooker. I'm going to add my tomatoes, onions, and peppers. Let's get our roast. Put it right in there. Throw on our lid. And get ready to cook. If you've used Instapot, you know you have to have it in the sealed position. Meat and stew. 1 hour. It is falling apart. Oh, baby. It's falling apart very nicely. So, I've added a little flour to my gravy here. I'm just gonna pour it right on, nice and thick. And I'm gonna do what I always do. Sprinkle a little parsley on top. And just for a little bite, a couple of flakes of chili pepper. A roast in the Instapot isn't as easy as it seems. You gotta take into account the cut of meat, the size of meat, and how long you have to cook it. I mean, it's gonna vary. Still, the flavor was amazing. Peace out.